If you're looking for the best blender, we've got the top 3 contenders: the Ninja Professional Plus, the Vitamix 5200, and the NutriBullet Pro 900. The Ninja Professional Plus is a powerful, budget-friendly option with total crushing technology, perfect for large batches and making smoothies or frozen drinks, though it can be a bit loud and lacks a single-serve cup. The Vitamix 5200 is the premium choice, built to last with aircraft-grade blades and variable speed control, great for hot soups and silky blends, but it comes at a high price and takes up more space. The NutriBullet Pro 900, on the other hand, is a compact and simple blender, ideal for single-serve smoothies with easy one-touch operation, though it struggles with tough ingredients and isn't built for large batches. If you need power and capacity, go for the Ninja. Want top-tier performance? The Vitamix is the way to go. Prefer a quick, on-the-go solution? The NutriBullet has you covered. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments.